This is Sean with WTI. And as I'm a guy who's constantly moving files from different locations, my laptop to my tablet or my tablet to my phone, this is where this Beikell adapter comes into place. There's a few things that I like the most about this adapter. First of all, is how compact and easy it is to carry on. And this is built like a tank. This is whole metal built construction. And this has two sides. One is in USB-C, this Type C that you can connect directly, or a USB-A. This has an option for two different SD cards, one for cameras, one the other ones are gonna be easy, tiny ones. And it's just so easy to carry around. Has nice speed for it to move around these files. It's convenient because it can even fit in a pocket. You can put it on pretty much anywhere, and is the convenience. Sometimes you just don't know which adapter to use, or a person doesn't have a Type C option. You get the other options, and you just need to move your files. This is one to go. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.